Okay, so to solve for this, let's assign our variable first. Let uh, x as the price of desktop computer, price of um, desktop computer, and then for our uh, price of laptop is therefore equivalent to price of laptop. We have price of the desktop plus 300. Okay, so based on the given, 9% of the price of the desktop plus the price of the desktop is 365. Okay, so can be understood that the interest rate was 9 and then the total amount of payment will be 365. So the total price, 365, is equivalent to 9%.